Financial market news from GoldClays. Binance CZ sues Bloomberg for defamation. The CEO of cryptocurrency exchange Binance, Changpeng Zhao, better known as CZ, has reportedly filed a lawsuit against US business magazine Bloomberg Businessweek alleging defamation. According to the portal Watcher.guru, the case was filed by CZ in the High Court of Hong Kong. In the suit, billionaire CZ cites, in particular, a report published by Bloomberg Businessweek on July 6 as alleged defamation against him. Zhao claimed that the cover story and related news that came out included false and unproven criminal charges against him. Also, according to the Watcher Guru, who confirmed the case with CZ himself, the representative of the CEO of Binance CZ in the action is Jose Antonio Morelit. Special futures program, CoinEx offers up to 60% commission per referral. After the lunar crash, cryptocurrencies started a long bearish period. As BTC and ETH fall for days, the assets that cryptocurrency investors hold in their wallets quickly depreciate. Many users had no choice but to remain inactive while waiting for the market to rally. Meanwhile, veteran investors are cashing in despite bearish conditions. For them, the slow market represents an incredible opportunity because the decline is always much more volatile than the rally. Taking advantage of these conditions, investors can adopt different trading strategies and earn profits during recession. This is especially true in futures trading, where investors can profit from declines by relying on their predictions of future market trends. Barcelona launches the first NFT in the club's history. In case you haven't been able to keep up with the latest news from the world of NFTs, here's a brief selection of the ones that caught our attention the most. From launches of new collections, to updates on platforms and other news about the crypto world, the idea is to bring an overview of what moved the market and caught the media's attention during the week. In today's edition, we bring some news in the world of NFTs, including the partnership between Gatorade, one of and Vayner 3 in the launch of a collection of NFTs, the positioning of Mojang Studios regarding the use of NFTs within Minecraft, and the launch of the club's first NFT football team. Check out more about the latest news from the world of NFTs. FTT token trading volume shows ETH whales are bullish. Ethereum, ETH, whales are bullish on FTT token from FTX exchange, according to whale stats data. According to analyst Best OE, it is unclear what caused the whales to move. It is not possible to determine exactly why the whales are buying FTT. However, this may have something to do with the company's recent announcements and the development of the platform that has become dear to traders, he said. Whales' interest made the FTX token become the third largest token purchased by whales. This puts it behind big players like Shiba Inu, SHIB, and USDC on the list of favorites among Ethereum millionaires. See the 5 companies listed with the biggest BTC reserves. Marathon Digital Holdings, Tesla, Digital Voyager, Digital Galaxy, MicroStrategy. Recently, CryptoFustle reported that Tesla sold 75% of its Bitcoins, BTC, in the second quarter of the year. With that, the company reduced its cryptocurrency balance sheet to just over 10,000 BTC in cash. However, the use of BTC as part of company reserves is here to stay, and the proof is that the sale of Tesla did not affect the price of the cryptocurrency much. Elon Musk's company has also not zeroed its position, which indicates that there is still confidence in the BTC investment thesis. And it's not just Tesla that has large BTC reserves, but other companies listed on the stock exchange are also betting on this market. See now which are the 5 companies listed on the stock exchange that have the largest amount of BTC in cash. Bitcoin drops another 6% and loses support. ETH, SOL, BNB, ADA, APE, and MANA continue to fall. The cryptocurrency market has started a new wave of decline. This Tuesday, 26, around 9 a.m., all major cryptocurrencies were in the red and falling, including Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin lost strength again shortly after the announcement of the sale of 75% of the BTC reserve of the manufacturer Tesla last week. The currency, which had hit the $24,000 level and was slowly exiting the bear market, retreated to $21,000 on Tuesday. As the top cryptocurrency by market capitalization, BTC has dropped by more than 5% in the last 24 hours. Here in Brazil, Bitcoin was selling for 113,245 Brazilian reals around 9 a.m. With the new drop, BTC loses its profits for the week and starts the day with a negative balance of 6%. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency on the market, followed the downward trend of the others. This Tuesday, ETH dawned with a loss of 9.9% in just 24 hours. According to CoinGecko, the current Ether price to buy is 7,562 Brazilian reals. The total cryptocurrency market cap has also dropped another 5% in the last 24 hours. Even with the fall, the cryptocurrency market still moves more than BRL 5 billion. Luna gears up for a 20% bullish move, says analyst. The price of the Terra Networks Luna token has recently risen to 11.75 Brazilian reals. Increased liquidity in the protocol would have been the trigger for this new high, according to FX Street analyst Akash Giramath. However, the bulls were unable to hold the rally and the token underwent a correction that took the price of Luna to 9.50 Brazilian reals. Despite this, the analyst believes that the prospects for the short term are bullish. Another drop is expected for Luna later this week. That way, with the new low, the corrective movement can come to an end. After a new drop, there may be a rebound towards above $2.20, 11.80 Brazilian reals, he said. Colombia announces project to link banks and exchanges. The Financial Superintendence of Colombia, SFC, recently published the draft of a new project to regulate the link between exchanges and banking entities in the country. This initiative is based on the results obtained in a pilot project known as Aranera, which made it possible to verify the appropriate forms of risk management in operations with virtual assets. USDT resumes full parity with the dollar after more than 2 months. After more than 2 months, the stablecoin dollar Tether, USDT, has finally resumed its 100% parity with the dollar. According to CoinMarketCap, USDT has resumed full parity in recent days, worth exactly $1. The USDT price returned to the level of $1 on July 20th and remained stable for the last 7 days. With this, the stablecoin recorded its first week of parity since the collapse of the Terra USD, UST, stablecoin in the second week of May. Ethereum Classic could be an option after the ETH upgrade, points out Vitalik Buterin. In a recent speech, Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin stated that users who like ETH proof of work should consider a migration to Ethereum Classic, which is a very good chain. The statement made considers that with the upcoming Ethereum upgrade, cryptocurrency miners will have to look for new sources of income as one of the biggest blockchains in the industry will no longer be available for mining. Therefore, Ethereum Classic might be one of the options. Ethereum Classic is a hard fork of the Ethereum chain released in July 2016. It mimics the main functions of Ethereum and acts as a smart contract network that supports decentralized applications and solutions with the native etc. token. Since the launch date, etc. has positioned itself as a separate version of Ethereum that has distanced itself from its predecessor after each update. Financial market news from GoldClays.